Video of streets filled with water during Tropical Storm Elsa last July. This was in Cape Coral near Skyline Boulevard and Patriot Elementary School. Tonight, many people in this neighborhood are concerned these storm drains will not be able to handle the heavy rain from Nicole. NBC 2's Trent Bennett is local tonight in Fort Myers, where work is going on to clean out storm drains.
Well, you're seeing City of Fort Myers crews here scooping out debris ahead of Nicole, because neighborhoods like this off of Cranford Avenue and Michigan Avenue near the Caloosahatchee River flood very easily.
This two-man team with the City of Fort Myers is working double duty today, scooping and removing debris from storm drains in neighborhoods along the River District.
Depending on how clogged they are, how full they are, it could be anywhere from 100 to 300 a day.
But there are more than 100,000 to get to in Lee County alone.
It's worrisome because God knows where it's going to go.
Kevin and Carol Dumichel live along the 10-mile canal in South Fort Myers.
Yeah, you can see the water line right there.
4 feet of water forced them to take everything out of their home and put it on the side of the road. Some of it is sitting in the ditch that leads to their drains.
A nightmare, that's the word. It's like a nightmare in a way.
With water surrounding their place, they tell me they're worried but are hoping the storm misses this time. And they're not alone.
We still feel defeated. We don't know if we're doing the right thing. Is this going to happen again?
The clock is ticking for crews like this all across Lee County to do as much as they can to keep these drains from filling up again.
Well, in a nutshell, it's just like in your sink. If you clog your drain and you keep filling it, what happens? It's going to have an overflow.
The process going from drain to clean it up is very quick, but I'm told there's a lot to get to. I'm local in Fort Myers, Trent Bennett, NBC 2.